Hi guys, after we have learned how to create a Gmail account, we will now learn how to create an email signature. What exactly is an email signature? Let me first click on the Compose button. So when you click on the Compose button, you get this little window over here that shows you different components of this window. 2 is the email address of the person that you are sending an email to. Then you write a subject line which you should draft intelligently so that the other person receiving the email should open it in time. Then your email body should have a proper salutation, proper message, and in the end you say thanks or regards and stuff like that, and followed by your name and other details. So if you do not want to write those details every time, what you do is you create what we call an email signature, which is automatically attached to your email. And we will learn how that works. So let me close this window now, and let's click on this settings gear, which you see right here. And when you click on the settings gear, it gives you many options to see how you want your window to be. You can have default, comfortable, compact, all these different kind of settings, or you can click to see all settings. When you do that, it will give you the list of all the settings. Under the general settings, if you start scrolling down, somewhere all the way at the bottom, you will have a signature, which is called signature. Currently, there are no signatures, but we can create one. So let's click on Create New. You can give your signature a name. I'm going to call this one Professor Signature, and I'll create it. So now I will click this icon to edit my signature name if I ever want to edit it, or I can hit the delete button if I want to get rid of it. I can click here in this area to create my signature information. You can have more than one signatures, and you can attach whichever one you want to attach in an email. So now I will be writing my name. So let's say I want this information to be posted in each one of my emails. Once I am done writing this information, I can even select and make this bold, maybe change its font, maybe change its color, or increase the font size to large, make this italics. I can do a lot of stuff. Whenever I'm done, I can even attach an image or a picture right there at the bottom. So once you are done with this, you can now set your signature defaults. For new emails, you can choose that you want the professor signature to be there. And whenever you're replying or forwarding an email, you can choose to also add a signature, or you can leave it as no signature. When you're done with all these changes, you can now scroll down and hit Save Changes. Once the changes are saved, we'll try to write a new email by hitting Compose. And notice your signature is automatically attached. Now you can write an email address of a person, or you can search it from your contact list. You can write a subject line and the rest of the information, and you'll be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. In the next tutorial, we will explore the Gmail settings once again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.